What it do, YouTube? We are back today. We are on the beautiful, beautiful R6 today. We're gonna go to my friend's house real quick. He ordered me a new visor for my birthday. Well, I asked for it, and he gave it to me for my birthday. Got it for me for my birthday, and yeah, nice little 5.0 action. Might be able to race that little fucking 5.0 over there real quick. Let's see if we get some action. Can never get enough of it. Ew. Oh man, I love riding on two wheels, dog. It's so fun. So fun. Whether you act like a dickhead in speed or you just cruise, it's so fun, you know? Nah, we are going to be getting a quick shifter on this motherfucker, man. Definitely getting a quick shifter for sure. Yeah, as I was saying, we definitely got to get a quick shifter. My friend just bought a 2018 R6. Same thing as mine. His had a quick shifter on it. Beautiful. Loved it. I was obsessed with it. Come on, cars, let me go, let me go. Video, I mean, it's just that I couldn't record on the GoPro because I wanted to keep the GoPro on. But yes, this is the visor we just got from my friend. Beautiful, I love it. We're gonna see how it feels, like how it looks at the daytime. Obviously it's ass in the night, but figured I'd see how it feels now. So nice little sunny day. Let y'all get a walk around of the R6 one more time. Can't get enough of her, dog. But like the video, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.